a very happy Diwali and I welcome all of you to another episode of WOW series, that is Wednesday on Wealth. I am Nidhi Manchanda, a certified financial planner and head of training and development at Fintu. In today's video, we will discuss about which all stocks you can invest in during Muhurat trading on Diwali. As we all know that the market is closed on the day of Diwali, but it opens for just 1 hour for Muhurat trading. And this day is considered to be as an auspicious day for trading. This Diwali, the Muhurat trading will happen between 6:15 PM to 7:15 PM on 4th November. So, if you are planning to invest into the stock market and invest in some stocks during the Muhurat trading, then stay tuned as we will be discussing our top 5 stock recommendation for the same. Let's start. So, our first recommendation is L&T. Now, L&T over the last few years has exited a number of capital inefficient assets and non-core businesses in order to lower their debt levels and achieve higher efficiency in capital utilization. Multiple catalysts for L&T are expected to emerge over the next few years, including asset monetization for Hyderabad Metro and Nabha Power. An increase in order inflows ahead of the elections and improved execution aided by the better working capital cycle. Also, the government focuses on capex for economic growth and job creation. That is the reason L&T will benefit from the government's continued focus on infrastructure creation. Now, our second recommendation is Divi's Lab. Now, it is a leading manufacturer of APIs, intermediaries and registered starting materials and supplies to major global pharmaceutical companies. Given Divi's established and strong capabilities, backward integration benefits, focus on quality and benefits of scale, coupled with commissioning of expanded capacity, it is best placed to cater to increasing demand from global big pharma companies. Moving on to our third recommendation, which is HDFC Life. The company is the market leader in the annuity vertical among the private players, and its market share has grown to 36% in September 2021 from 34.4% in March 2021. We expect the company to see improvement in its performance metrics, aided by tailwinds in the sector and the Exide Life deal. Additionally, we expect HDFC Life to maintain its leadership position among all the private players, as rising costs would make it difficult for disruptive practices. The pandemic has impacted profitability in this sector, leading to life insurers needing higher capital infusion to drive growth. We expect that this will lead to a consolidation in the industry where the larger players will grab further market share. Our fourth recommendation is PVR. Now, PVR Limited is India's largest multiplex player in terms of screen counts, which stand at 9% and 27% of its total screens in India and total multiplex screens respectively, and has a strong brand equity value. The multiplex industry gets a major relief as Maharashtra government has allowed cinemas to resume operations. Also, new content pipeline remains strong. PVR is well placed to capitalize a strong pent-up demand and is expected to report strong revenue growth over next few years. Further, PVR is expected to add screens aggressively post-normalization, which would aid revenue growth. So you can definitely go for PVR stock as well. Our fifth and the last recommendation is Bharat Dynamics. It is a sole manufacturer of surface-to-air missile, anti-tank guided missiles, underwater weapons and air-to-air missiles, which forms 56% of India's guided missiles and torpedo market of USD 24.4 billion over current year 17 to 26. New growth dimensions from in-house missile tech, operationalization of greenfield plants for new missiles programs, offering revenue visibility long-term and missile exports. So definitely this also will be considered as one of the good picks for your Muhurat trading. So these were our top 5 recommendations to invest during Muhurat trading. So we wish you all a very happy Diwali from Fintu. And for any further queries, feel free to get in touch with our finance experts. And for more such videos, do subscribe to our channel.